Hey y'all, welcome back to Sweet Gem Life. It's your girl Kina. Today I'm so excited, y'all, because y'all already know how I feel about Goldmine CoCo. I love the shop, I love the products, I love Felicia, and I finally got my hands on a Peyton sub, y'all. So excited, so much joy. That's what I say about my nephew. But y'all, today we're gonna be unpacking, because it's not really a box. We're going to be unpacking the February. Is it February or March? I don't know. I'll let you know which sub it is. But this is a quarterly sub. It's the Peyton sub from Goldmine CoCo. We are unboxing this. If you're interested in seeing what's in this, stay tuned. So, y'all want to talk about hype, baby. Oh my God. I love Peyton. I love her, and I'm seeing a whole lot of goodies in here. So we're gonna put this off to one of these sides and go through this. Okay, so we have Peyton. She is relaxing on a couch. Okay, this is self-care Peyton. And we did get two magnets. We got one in the light brown, we got one in the dark brown. Whatever floats your boat, she's here for it. Okay, so we have our Peyton magnets. Then we got, is this a sticky? Oh my God, it's sticky notes, y'all. We have this long sticky notepad, and we have Peyton, being a black girl is lit. Black, no extra additives. I am Black history. Can't love the culture without the people. Facts. And it just says, hey queen. And it has the polka dots. Y'all know I love polka dots. Look real close. Polka dots! Okay. So this is the second item. We've got a sticky pad. Oh my God, y'all, we got another sticky pad. Peyton, down here on the couch again, and it says bin magic. It looks like bin magic. Yes, bin magic. Yes, ma'am. This is another sticky pad. Yep. And this one has the grid instead of the polka dots. So we got plenty, and she will get used. Okay. The next item, y'all, we got our stickers. Y'all, I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig into these stickers, y'all. So I'm gonna go through these one by one so you can see them real close. This kit is called Dream Plan Do. First of all, this shirt is everything. 100% pure brown sugar, okay? And they're Peyton kids. What more can I say about them other than the fact that they're gonna get used? Dream Plan Do. And then we have Goals, Plans, Dreams. Get that link off of there. Dream like Martin, lead like Harriet, fight like Malcolm, think like, can't see, Garvey, write like Maya, build like, can't see, speak like Frederick, educate like WEB, believe like Thurgood, challenge like Rosa, inspire like Obama. So that's Goals, Plans, Dreams. Then we have this sheet, which is Peyton doing all the things, that says move at your own pace. Ooh, plan about it, sis. That's literally the name of the kit, y'all. So we just have light and dark brown versions of Peyton doing various things. I am wealthy of knowledge and resources. I have the Midas touch. I am beauty personified. Yes, ma'am. So then we have plan, execute, repeat. I like this kit, y'all. This is nice. This is real nice. And then we have pray and push through. Yes, ma'am. And it says she has her shirt on, being a black girl is lit. I especially like this one down here for the section for affirmations. Yes. Then we have some scripts, and it says plan, work, slay. Rich black woman, been magic. Hey queen, you are magic, own it. Girl, you did it again. Black girl magic, success looks good on me. Melanin poppin', sis. Black girl magic, you are magic, own it. Hey queen, girl, you did it again. Then this one is Eliminate Distractions. We got Miss Peyton in light brown and dark brown. And that's what I love most about, and why I was really excited to sign up for the Peyton sub as well as the Treasured Chest sub, because everything we get in light brown, we get in the dark brown. So it's not that we're limited to one of each sticker. Sis got two. So we got Peyton chilling. We taking a bath with the roses, back on the couch. We've got a few scripts there. And then we have Work For It. Ma'am, if you don't wear them pants. It says, my dreams are. We back in the tub. Back in the mirror with our affirmations. I am empowered because. And then the last sheet says, take a break but don't quit. Yes, ma'am. Skirt and hips, okay? And what else do we have going on here? I love this with the tape on the sides. So we have, how many kits did we get? How many pages did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all, we got 10 sticker pages. Yes, ma'am. Y'all, I cannot wait. Like, I'm over here like, ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my little binder, because y'all know I keep my little binder full of Goldmine CoCo and Also Paper Co. and Isabella Jewels. I got a whole binder where I keep my black owned representation stickers, and I'm saying I can't wait to stick them in there, but no, I can't wait to snatch them out and use them, okay? Oh my goodness, so excited. Don't forget my magnets. Get over here. So y'all, this is the February Goldmine CoCo Peyton subscription kit. We're gonna get with Felicia and see if this is a sub box or a subscription kit. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like, comment, share it. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, turn on notifications so you can be notified when I post videos in the future. With that said, see y'all till next time.
How to keep the healing.